Students, in the previous two videos, we have seen how to draw a perpendicular to a line at a point on the line. That is, the third point is laying on the line itself. But now, students, we have to draw a perpendicular to a line from a point outside the line. Now, for this construction, student, the point is not laying on the line, but it is outside the line. Let's do the construction. First of all, draw line MN. Students, again I am repeating, you have to do all the construction with the help of pencil only, but for the clarity of the video I am using sketch pen here. Here I have drawn one line and I am naming this line as MN. As this is the line, I have put two arrows on both sides of this line. Now take one point K above the line MN. Now students, from this point K, which is not laying on the line MN, but it is outside the line MN, we have to draw perpendicular to this line MN. Now students, you have to take compass and keep the still point of this compass on point K. You have to draw two arcs which intersect line MN at two distinct points. Now you have to mark these 2 points as point A and B. Point A and this is point B. Now students, now you have to place the still point of the compass on point A and taking the distance which is slightly greater than half of length AB, you have to draw arc below this line MN. Without changing the distance, now you have to keep the still point of your compass on point B and you have to intersect this arc. Thus we get the point of intersection. Now you have to mark this point of intersection as point P. I am using dark sketch pen for the clarity. Now students, with the help of a ruler, you have to join these 2 points, point K and point P. Put arrows because we are here, we have again drawn a line. Now use a protractor, keep that protractor on this point and you again measure the angle between line AB and line KP. If you see, you can clearly see that this angle is, the measure of this angle is 90 degree and therefore you have to put a right angle mark here. And below this figure, you have to write down line KP is perpendicular to line MN at point from point K, which is outside the line. Students, you have to do this construction in your copy and you have to write down the steps which are given on page number 90 under the heading using drawing a perpendicular to given line from a point outside the line using a compass and a ruler. This completes our construction. You have to do it in your copy. Thank you.